So this is how you change the color of a text inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So they've recently changed this around. So if we come up here and do a text box, so I can type this out, and it's currently black. If I highlight that and come over here under Edit Effect Controls, I'm going to find the text here. I'm going to click this little arrow. It's going to open up this panel here, and I come down here to Appearances and the Fill. Click on that. We'll be able to change it to whatever color we want. So let's say we want it to be red. Change that, and it'll be updated here. Also want to add how to change the font size. So this is a little tricky as well. Right here, this 100, this is how we're going to change it. We're going to click on that, and then we're just going to go down. So we'll go down to 80 here, shrinks it a little bit, and we just sort of find one that works.